If you've ever struggled with threading an overlocker, you know how fiddly and time-consuming it can be. But with an air-threading overlocker like the Bernette b64 airlock, those days are over. With an air-threading overlocker, you can leave the frustration of threading the loopers behind and get straight to the fun part. Here's how to thread the Bernette b64 airlock using the air-threading system. Step 1. Push the air-threading lever to the left and then rotate the hand wheel until the tube clicks into position. Step 2. Put your cones onto the thread stand and lift the foot lever. Step 3. Starting from the third thread. Take the thread through the thread tree. Underneath the little pre-tension spring and through the tension disc. And through the bottom thread guide. Step 4. Pull approximately 60 centimeters of thread out and insert 1 centimeter of the thread into the air threading port. Step 5. Press the air threading button and the thread will pass through the tubes and come out of the end of the looper. Step 6. Pass the thread underneath the foot out of the way. Repeat steps 3 to 6 for the rightmost thread. Step 7. Once you've finished threading both of the loopers, move the air threading lever back to the right side to deactivate it. Now to thread the needles. Take the thread through the thread tree. Underneath the little pre-tension spring and through the tension disc. Follow the thread path to the left, up and down. Pass the thread through this coil, making sure the needle threads stay separated. Pass the thread through the thread guide at the top of the needles to help the threads stay separated. Using either the needle threading tool or tweezers, pass the thread through the eye of the needle. Tuck the thread underneath the foot to keep it out of the way. Repeat the same for the second needle. You're now set to sew. If you found this helpful, please leave a like and consider subscribing. Have you tried air threading machines before? Let us know how it went in the comments.